It's summertime and it means hikers are back. British Columbia, located on the stunning west coast of Canada, is a hiker paradise. With its inspiring landscapes, diverse ecosystem, and rugged terrain, this province offers a plethora of incredible hiking opportunities. Whether you are an avid adventurer or a casual nature lover, there is a hiking trail in British Columbia that will capture your heart and leave you with an awe of its natural beauty. So here are lists of top 10 hikes in Vancouver, ranked from the easiest to the hardest. Number 1 on our list is Quarry Rock, a popular and relatively easy hike in Deep Cove, offering a well-maintained trail that leads to a viewpoint with stunning vistas of the Indian Arm. Number 2. Lighthouse Park. Explore the trails of Lighthouse Park, where you can enjoy a leisurely walk amidst old-growth forests, scenic coastline, and the historic point at Kitson Lighthouse. Number 3. Lynn Loop. Located in Lynn Canyon Park, this loop trail takes you through beautiful forested areas, crosses a suspension bridge, and offers the moderate hike suitable for all skills level. Number 4. Dog Mountain. Situated in Mount Seymour Provincial Park, this hike features a well-marked trail that leads to Dog Mountain, providing panoramic views of Vancouver and surrounding mountains. Number 5. St. Mark's Summit. A rewarding hike in Cypress Provincial Park, offering a moderate to challenging ascent to St. Mark's Summit. Enjoy breathtaking views of Howe Sound and coastal mountains. Number 6. The Chief. Located in Squamish, this iconic hike features 3 peaks to conquer: first peak, second peak, and third peak. It is a challenging climb with unparalleled views of Howe Sound and the surrounding peaks. Number 7. Mount Seymour. Hiking to the summit of Mount Seymour is a demanding trek that rewards you with the panoramic views of Vancouver, the North Shore Mountains, and the surrounding wilderness. Number 8. Block Tuss. A strenuous hike near Whistler that leads to the distinctive volcanic peak known as Block Tuss. It requires advanced hiking skills, but the breathtaking vistas of Garibaldi Provincial Park make it worthwhile. Number 9. Crown Mountain. Offering a challenging ascent, scrambling section, and exposed ridge, Crown Mountain provides experienced hikers with stunning views of Vancouver and surrounding mountains. And the last one, number 10, the Lions. Considered one of the toughest hikes near Vancouver, the trail to the Lions involves steep ascents, scrambling, and breathtaking ridge walks. Reaching the iconic Twin Peaks is a rewarding achievement for skilled hikers. And that's it for this short video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope this helps you. And remember to assess your own abilities and prepare accordingly before attempting any of these hikes. Stay safe, respect the environment, and enjoy the natural beauty that Vancouver's hiking trails have to offer. Enjoy, and see you on my next video. Bye!